and welcome to our webinar on IT Service Management. Transform your service desk. Get comfortable, grab some coffee, and listen in to how Atlassian approaches IT service management, helping your IT team reach a state of organized bliss. Today, we're going to be looking at how we can streamline and transform IT support around IT service management. This is a topic top of mind for many organizations, so we'll show you how Atlassian helps these teams accomplish this in a way that's much more flexible and collaborative than what a lot of the legacy and traditional solutions offer. Here's what we're going to cover today. First, we'll get right into the current IT landscape and the challenges IT teams face. We'll then define IT service management and address the pain points of legacy ITSM solutions and how we can begin to look at ITSM from a more lean, agile approach. Then we'll jump right into how Atlassian approaches IT service management in detail, going over service management, incident management, problem management, and change management, and the Atlassian products that support them. We even have a real-world example on incident management and how Atlassian's approach and tools led to a quick resolution. Finally, we'll look at a customer, DHI Inc., who switched from ServiceNow to Jira Service Desk and how they saved over $200K and reduced major incidents by 40%. So let's get started. The way teams work today is changing. Enterprises are in a digital transformation tug-of-war. Business and competitive pressures are driving lines of business to deliver more, faster, and business teams have a higher demand for new services or improvements to existing ones. Meanwhile, IT teams are on the hook to maintain enterprise-class SLAs with the current services and infrastructure load. This places IT right at the center of this transformation. If we consider the daily work for most IT teams, we find they fall into one of these major support capabilities: supporting end users, responding to outages, IT infrastructure, change and asset management. In the midst of all these important daily IT support activities, IT teams need to keep up with the continual demand of waterfall IT projects to update or deploy new services. For many teams, this is a workload that can be very chaotic and frustrating. How can IT teams adapt? The value of implementing an IT service management or ITSM program is clear. Leveraging good processes in the enterprise IT environment to manage and measure incidents, problems, changes, service levels, and risks is an almost ubiquitous objective of internal and external organizations providing IT to the business. So what exactly is IT service management? IT service management, or ITSM, provides a common approach for IT teams to manage the services they deliver to the business and users. This may include planning the rollout of a new service or supporting end users. Bottom line, it's all about having repeatable capability and process to deliver stable and valuable service to the business. We've heard from many IT teams that they face many challenges with their current ITSM solution. For starters, the ability to drive innovation is difficult because so much time is spent just keeping the lights on. Self-service is deficient or non-existent because their current ITSM solution makes it difficult to deploy and manage, and end users don't like it because it's challenging for them to use. There's a lack of visibility across the team because they work in different applications, creating barriers and pilots that make it very difficult to collaborate. The current ITSM solution is difficult to customize and adapt to their support needs. Their ITSM tool isn't integrated with the software developers' tools, so they lack the ability to coordinate with dev teams. And the cost of IT support is high because working tickets in the current ITSM tool takes longer. They're slowed down by their workload and the amount of workload they carry that requires manual effort. In response, IT teams are switching to leaner, more agile approaches. Applying lean and agile principles to ITSM can help IT teams be more flexible, gain efficiencies, and focus on services that deliver business value. We also hear a lot of IT teams say, "We aren't doing ITIL or ITSM anymore. We're a DevOps shop now." Or ITIL is too slow and formal for us now. These concepts are typically pitched against each other as an either-or decision. So we either are an ITIL or a DevOps house, but we don't need to pick a side. We need both. We're talking about complementary, not competitive boxes. Modern, high-performing teams and organizations are starting to realize this and use elements of both. They've moved beyond the either-or ultimatum.